we from Rotary Club of Cardona launch an Adapt Community program. We will select one community as our pilot project to transform the village from a problem community to an ideal one. We will implement the tripod approach on transforming the community. We will equip the community by means of three pillars of community building, such as education, livelihood, and the most important, the values formation. For education, we will introduce alternative learning system for out-of-school youth and older citizens. We will introduce to them also the financial literacy and teach them the financial management, which will also introduce to the regular student. By learning the financial literacy and the financial management, we can help them to their endeavor as entrepreneur or investor of the future. The second pillar is the livelihood. We will introduce also them some livelihood projects. All will train them and teach them marketing strategy. We will teach them how to manage their livelihood and of their choice. We also identified some feasible livelihoods matched to their environment and skills. We found out that handicraft, food processing, and fuel production from biomass such as water lily, twigs, leaves, and other biomass matters feasible for them as their livelihood. The third one is the values formation, which is the most important of all. The most important of the three pillars is the values formation. We all know that basic element of the community is the family, which consists of the father as the pillar of the family and the mother as the light of the family. The character of the kids will mirror on how bright is the light of the family and how reliable is the pillar of the family. When the family values is on the positive side, the community will follow. The rest will follow, the livelihood and the literacy. And by this means, we all pray to God that we have to succeed and to build a better community. Thank you. This is President-elect Al from the Rotary Club of Cardona, pleading to all of you to pray for us to succeed in this endeavor. Thank you.